welcome back to Festive Forever. So I'm heading to Palladium Mall, which is situated at Lower Parel. And as we all know that the Palladium Mall is a house for all luxury high-end brands like Gucci, Chanel, etc. etc. So after shopping, we all get hungry and we want to relish some amazing food. So today I'm going to take you guys to this place called Plus 94 Bombay, where we are going to have some delicious and good food. So let's go. So guys, we have our first dish. This is kappa crab cutlet, and as you can see, lot of curry patta over here, and of course crab. This is only for the decor. Their presentation is quite good, so let's just dig into it and try how it is. There is definitely potato in this. Then I can taste crab chunks. Coconut का काफ़ी अच्छा flavor है, like it's very coconutty. And you can taste little curry patta also in it. And forgot to mention that this is Sri Lankan dish. This belongs to Sri Lanka, and I have never tried any place that serves good Sri Lankan food, or in fact that serves Sri Lankan food. So this is the first time that I'm trying something like that, and the taste is really good. Here I can see also some cumin seeds, and then there is some mustard seeds, and the taste is good. It's more on the side of coconut and coconut. Basically the curry is quite coconutty and you can taste a lot of coconut. Other than that, the crab is tasting good. They have prepared it very nicely, and curry patta is also giving good flavor. So here I can also taste some sweetness. It's not spicy actually, and I think it's mango. So the curry is mango and coconut mix, and with little bit of sweetness of course. And इसमें थोड़ा मतलब it's not spicy at all, little sweet, and with the mango flavor and along with coconut base. So all in all, it's good. So here we have Sri Lankan fish curry, and here we have hopper. So hopper is basically appam, and this is made from rice, and actually there were many varieties in this. There were egg hopper, chicken hopper, mutton hopper, but I've called for plain hopper yani ke appam because I wanted to enjoy this with fish curry. So I'm just gonna give it a try with our Sri Lankan fish curry. So I'm just going to try this fish curry. Again, this is made from coconut. It's little sour, and here we have curry patta ka flavor. Also very, like, it's moderately spicy but not too much. So I have called for Sri Lankan cuisine because A, I have never tried it, and B, that I hardly know any places which actually serve Sri Lankan food. If you guys know that Sri Lanka and India are very nearby, you can say it's very close by, and that's why the food is kind of influenced due to South India being a side. So let's try now fish curry. Fish actually. I'm just gonna dip it into this curry. So this fish, I had the bite and it was kingfish, and which is also called surmai over here. So this fish was less in flavors. I could not taste much than the red chili, but other than that, if you have it with curry, it gives you spicy and sour taste. Appam, of course, which is made from rice, is also delicious. It's little soft. From the outside it's crispy, and from the inside it's soft. So with this, it definitely goes and tastes really good. So do call for it. I'm gonna enjoy this now. So next dish that we have is baked chicken, but here there is a twist. These are made with Sri Lankan spices like curry leaves, red chili flakes, and lots of masala. And then we have your tomato onion salad with some coriander and some lemon. So let's just give it a try. I'm gonna squeeze this lemon all over here, making it little sour, and desi style से enjoy करते हैं. So there are very minimum spices, like very less, and the flavor, though it's baked, still I can taste a lot of oil. Otherwise, chicken is tender, cooked properly with minimum spices, and thoda sa, because I added lemon to it, it was tasting sour. Spicy बिल्कुल नहीं है. Curry leaves से, because of curry leaves, it's tasting little kadwa, I would say that. But otherwise, all in all, it's good. And here we have some salad. Salad is like just any other salad that we get, with some tomato, onion, where you can taste a lot of onion. So all in all, this dish for you cannot call this dish healthy, but definitely you can try this dish, something different and something tasty. So here we have our last dish, that is mutton curry with dosa. So here there is dosa, then there is mutton curry, then here we have two chutneys. One is green and other is red. Probably both are made from coconut and some mustard seeds. And here we have dried coconut and then some curry leaves. So let's just give it a try. So the curry is little sour, and then there is mustard seeds, then there are curry leaves, and I think there are tomatoes in it. I could taste tomato. And then the curry is basically made from smashed tomato, probably with some coconut and some curry leaves for the tadka. And now let's try out the chutneys. So the chutney is with coconut and coriander, again with rai yani ki mustard and curry leaves tadka. And then this other chutney that we have is probably also made from coconut, but here we have some red chili. The Coconut chutney is made from coconut and some red chili, again with mustard seed tadka. Here we don't have curry leaves. So all in all, the curry tasted really good and everything was tasty, right from the dosa to chutney to mutton curry. As always, we have called a very cute looking sweet dish Vatalappam for our sweet ending, so let's give it a try. This is rice and coconut pudding. With some caramel ice cream. So this dish, I think I can taste little egg in it, definitely. And then it's very soft and melting in my mouth, made properly, बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty है and creamy. Of course, this dish is super creamy. If you put it in your mouth immediately, very creamy. एग का जो टेस्ट है बहुत ज़्यादा डोमिनेटिंग है एंड हियर वी हैव सम जैगरी which gives it that kind of a crunchy taste when you have pudding and then you have the jaggery with it. All together it will give you crunchy taste, and then along with ice cream on the side. As you can see here, there's also a layer of jaggery, melted jaggery, and then coconut. It's too good. I loved it. It is superb. I loved it. And if you guys come here, then this dish you should totally try. So guys, our shopping and everything is done, so it's now time to rate this place on our festive meter. So I would talk about this place. I love the place. First of all, the place is superb and the staff over here is very courteous. They will help you with the food, they will tell you about the history of this place and everything, every information that you need. And if you guys are into fine dining and once a while you want to come here along with your family members, enjoy your meal and the place, ambience and everything, then you should totally consider this place. I have considered all the factors and I'm giving 9 on 10. Love this place, guys. I'm telling you again and again. And if you guys love to try Sri Lankan food, actually the food is combination of Sri Lankan and Maharashtrian food. So if you guys love both the kind of food, then you should totally try this place once, at least once in a life. And I think the pricing are also fine. They are not too expensive. If you say कि seafood है, तो seafood anyways is little expensive. But considering the seafood prices, I think one dish would cost you around 350 to 400, which is I feel okay. So guys, this place is really good. Do give it a try, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.